Flow measurement is a crucial part of metering technology and a key element of industrial automation. Microsensor flow meters cater to the global market thanks to its solid technical foundation and ongoing commitment to innovation and quality control. Accurate measurement isn't just about data. It reflects responsibility and trust. One standout experience for me was developing flow meters specifically for oil fields. Working on solutions for high overpressure, high accuracy flow meters. Our team constantly refined designs, adjusted structures, tested algorithms, and validated data. Finally, we provided our customers with fitted high-pressure solutions and reliable remote data transmission. This has opened new doors for us in the flow measurement market. I'm Qiang, focused on precision in every detail. At MicroSentor, we are committed to long-term growth.